Plastics look good. This looks brand new in here. What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this car, starting with the front right wheel. Looks absolutely perfect. Got the carbon ceramic brakes. All four wheels actually are perfect. There's zero curb rash. Making our way down the side of this car, I don't see any gashes, dents, or anything like that. It is absolutely perfect. Very, very clean. Making our way to the front, you are going to see a couple rock chips here and there. In this lower splitter has some really minor curb rash on the underside. You got to get really low down here to see any of it. Everything you see here is perfect. It's all underneath it, if any, that you're going to see very minor curb rash. As far as rock chips go, you're going to see a couple little impacts on that front bumper. Looking at the hood, got some really small ones. Got a couple small ones here. Otherwise, this front end looks really, really good. And then checking out this side, it looks absolutely perfect as well. I'm not seeing any dents or gashes anywhere. Paint looks really good. Very, very clean. And then making our way to the back, I don't see any imperfections back here as well. This thing looks amazing. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and this is very, very clean in here. You can see all these buttons look amazing. I don't see any scuffs anywhere on this door panel. This kick plate area looks good. Here on the bolster, I'm not seeing really any wear on that. This edge looks amazing. The seats are very, very clean. The steering wheel has that nice matte look to it. And I'm not seeing any sticky buttons anywhere on this. Everything looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. All these buttons look perfect. And honestly, I'm not seeing any scuffs or scratches that stand out. And then looking at the back seat, looks absolutely perfect. Very, very clean. Here on the passenger door panel, that looks good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches anywhere. Kick plate area looks good. The seat bolster looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scuffs or scratches. Underside of the glove box looks amazing. Upper side of the dash looks perfect.